In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Gumroad in just a few easy steps. Whether you're a creator or a seller using Gumroad, accessing your hard-earned money is straightforward and simple. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, we'll start by heading over to the Gumroad website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in gumroad.com. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is find and click on the login button, which is usually located in the upper right corner. Gumroad offers an easy login process, especially if you're already connected through Google. So, for many of you, this next step will be simply clicking on the Google button and selecting the account that you use for Gumroad. This should redirect you to your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, locate the settings option. Typically this will be found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Clicking on settings will open up a new page with various options to configure your Gumroad account. Here we're going to focus on the payments section. Click on payments to proceed. This is where you'll set up or confirm the method by which you want to withdraw your funds. You're given two main choices, withdrawing to your bank account or through PayPal. Both options have their own set of benefits, and you can choose whichever best suits your personal preferences or financial needs. If you opt for withdrawing directly to your bank account, make sure your bank details are entered correctly within this section. However, if you've decided to go with PayPal, there are just a couple more steps to complete. After you select PayPal, you may need to link your PayPal account if you haven't done so already. Ensure that the email address you use for your PayPal account is the one you enter in the system. It's important to double check this to avoid potential issues or delays with receiving your funds. Once your preferred payment method is set, you'll want to confirm everything is correct. It's always a good idea to review your settings periodically to ensure everything remains up to date, especially if you've made any recent changes to your bank or PayPal accounts. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully walked through the steps to withdraw your money from Gumroad. By following these instructions, you can now easily access the funds you've generated with your content. Remember to keep your financial information secure and regularly monitor your transactions for peace of mind. Thank you for joining this tutorial today and enjoy managing your Gumroad earnings with ease.